we want to find what the answer will be. Remember, in modulus, we are only concerned about the remainder. So what you do is just press 99, then divide it by your 8 on your calculator. I believe you'll be getting something like 12 point certain values. Here, that 12 is the whole number. That's the number of times that 8 can divide our 99. So let's find out what the decimal numbers will be in terms of a whole number. So you multiply your quotient with your divisor. So if you multiply, you'll be having 96. So now subtract the 96 from the dividend to get your remainder. I guess that will be 3. So in solving this, our 99 in the mode of 8 will be 8 times 12. 8 times 12 give us 96, plus what value will give us the 99? And that value is going to be what? 3. You see that? So this is what we are interested in, not the quotient when we multiply. So in this case, we can only say that, therefore, our 99 in the mode of 8 is going to be 3, or 3 mode 8. We can write 3 or 3 in the mode of 8. Perfectly understood, I guess. Like, share, and comment.